Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I got more stuff. At this stage, I don't have mental acuity required to explain my actions. Now I know like the whole don't take candy from strangers thing, but what have I got to live for? Why is it silver platinum? I hope it's supposed to be edible. Minty? Is it a mint? Minty. Okay. I got this because it was a really good deal, and I'm kind of a sucker for a vintage camera box, and none of them get more vintage than the Fed 5B. Now, included with the box, another box, and another box, and inside this box, maybe, is a camera and a bunch of shit that just fell off on me. We have the original booklet for the camera as well, all in Russian, which is great because I can read Russian. This is awful, by the way. Big mistake on my part. Now let's crack into the camera itself, because some people might assume that's why I bought this thing. The case that it comes in is actually not too bad. It's got like the nice fun red leather or red velvet kind of interior here. That's not bad. It's kind of fun. It has like a quality to it. I would say cheap, but yeah, it's pretty cheap. The camera itself, as always, this doesn't really fill one with confidence, but it does appear to be about as close to working as these get. Got the view for, oh, there's a scent. It could just be the weird candy that I decided to put in my mouth. The lens has, you know, seen some better times. The helicoid is incredibly stiff, so definitely not going to be great for like fast focusing, but hey, listen, came with the box. Totally worth it for that alone. I limited myself to just two things for this particular sale. The other thing is a Yashica Electro 8. Now, this was purchased because poor financial decisions, and I recently had the realization that the Super 8 cameras that I have a bunch of mold in the lenses, I should say. Thus, the image quality was not great. Yeah, like I'm actually able to like focus in on things and it's not dim and oranged and all this stuff. Allegedly, this doesn't work. Allegedly, there's some issues with the battery contacts. I mean, yeah, there's like a massive amount of corrosion there. But we'll give this a clean off and then we'll see. I gotta say though, thus far, I'm loving everything that this has to offer, between the obnoxiously large and rotund handle. This reminds me of like a speed gun or like a laser pistol or a hair dryer, like all in the same vein. The optics look relatively clean, so not like the worst bargain in the world. And it has an element of like retrofuturism to it that could be interesting. Was it worth it? No. Do I have regrets? Yes. Are they all kind of centered around the decision to put this strange candy in my mouth? Mostly, yes. I think that the Fed 5B will be kind of a fun time, not a long time camera edition, but I did really want to just see the quality of this Soviet box here. I think this is exactly what Lenin envisioned in his mind. You can tell it's high quality too because it has this like plastic sharpness to it. Cuts into your hand as you're trying to close it up. Anyway, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this really god-awful unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. As always, like the video if you did. Subscribe to the channel. This is the last in a series of me making poor financial choices. Probably not. We'll see. We'll see.